A long time ago, before time was bound to a wheel, the Jade Emperor of Heaven decided to create a calendar to mark the passage of time. The Emperor of Heaven invited all the animals to run a race, and the first 12 animals to finish would each be a cog in the wheel of time.
The rat and the cat was best friends, but the cat was too lazy and wanted to take a nap. The world, I will wake you up later, said the rat, but the rat not waking up. The dad was sleeping. When we woke up, we found a gift for the rat. The rat said to the ox, I will give you some food if you let me hop on your head tomorrow for the race. And the ox said yes. But before the ox got there, the rat jumped off first, and the rat won first place, and the ox won second. The tiger is the good swimmer, but the water is too strong. The tiger swim hard and good, and he finished third. I'm so strong, said the tiger. The rabbit jumped from stone to stone to cross the river, but she stopped to gaze at the moon. She wanted to stay until the moon was gone.
The dragon was winning the race, but he saw a village on fire. He stopped the fire, making the clouds rain, and he lost his place in the race. When he saw Rabbit looking at the moon, he decided to help her by blowing her to the finish line. So the rabbit was fourth, and the dragon was fifth.
The horse is a good swimmer and a good runner. He raced across the lake with the wind in his mane.
When he got to the other side, the snake slithered from his leg and surprised him. So the snake was number 6 and the horse was 7.
The rooster invited the monkey and the goat to work together to win the race. I will clear the grass to the river. I will row the boat. I found the boat. Let's win the race.
The emperor was so impressed with the teamwork that he awarded the goat 8th place, the monkey 9th place, and the rooster 10th place.
Swimmer, but he was playing in the river all day. He forgotten all about the race. Finally, he remembered and finished the race at number 11. The pig had stopped for a snack. He still was eating when he go into the river. The pig floated across the river and he finished at 12th place.
And that is how the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac were chosen.